Okay friends, in this video we are learning how to check your bank balance from Google Pay. Okay, just open your app door and select Google Pay. Then enter your Google Pay PIN number. I am already unlocked my Google Pay. There is no need of my PIN number. After that, you swipe down all the way down. Then go to check balance. Then you have multiple bank accounts added to your Google Pay. You can start the bank. I have already one bank account added here. So just click here, check balance. Then simply enter your UPI PIN. Okay, I'm successfully entered my UPI PIN. Then click on tick mark. You can see here my bank balance and last transactions is here. So in this way you can easily check your Google Pay balance in this method. So that's guys. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my reviews as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.